Have you ever heard someone say, go off the deep end? It sounds like we are talking about a swimming pool, right? But it means something very different. Understanding this idiom will help you speak more naturally with your friends. Let's find out why. Imagine Mark. His friend was very angry. Mark heard someone say, he went off the deep end. Mark ran to the pool with a life jacket. He thought his friend had literally fallen into the deep water. Oops. To go off the deep end does not mean swimming. It means to act in a very angry or crazy way. It usually happens when someone is very stressed. It is like jumping into deep water without knowing how to swim. Here is the correct way to use it. Sarah's computer crashed. She had a lot of work to do. She went off the deep end and started yelling at the computer. She lost her cool. Let's look at some examples. 1. She went off the deep end after hearing the bad news. 2. Don't go off the deep end over a small mistake. Try to stay calm. How can you remember this? Think of a deep pool. The deep end is where you might panic. If you jump in without thinking, you lose control. That is just like the idiom. Did you know this idiom started in the early 1900s? It became popular in the US and UK. It shows that people value staying calm. In movies, characters often go off the deep end when they snap. Other similar sayings are, lose your cool or go bananas. They all mean acting a bit crazy. The opposite is to stay calm or keep it together. These mean you are in control. You might also hear snap or crack under pressure. These are very related to our idiom. A common mistake is saying a deep end. Always say the deep end. It is a specific place. Also, use it for big emotions. Don't use it just because you have a lot of work to do. Time for a quick quiz. What does go off the deep end mean? Is it A, to go swimming, B, to lose control emotionally, or C, to go to sleep? Which one is it? The correct answer is B. It means to lose control emotionally. Well done if you got it. So now you know, going off the deep end means losing control or acting in a very angry way. Using this idiom will make your English sound much more natural. Keep practicing every day. Have you ever gone off the deep end? Tell us your story in the comments below. We love reading them. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe, or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.